spinach and feta cheese. Lovely, deadly combination. And I tell you, these parcels are simply superb. Not awesome, it's more than that even. And you're going to just love it. Hello and welcome to Magic in My Food. This is Jyoti Dalmia. Let's begin with the lovely, super delicious spinach and feta cheese parcels. So to begin with the making of the parcel, I need to prepare the dough for the parcel. First take a small bowl into which I am going to add the sugar. Yes, I am going to take some warm water in it. So drop some warm water. Be careful, the water should not be very hot, otherwise your yeast will get killed. So add warm water and here goes the yeast into it. This is my dry yeast and slowly it will feed on the sugar and it will activate. Such a beautiful phenomena. It eats the sugar and it gets activated, otherwise it stays still. So now my yeast is getting activated and see how it has bubbled up. This is the way the yeast should activate. If it does not bubble up and forms a cloud, don't use it, throw it away. Now I have taken wheat flour and to which I am going to add salt goes inside it. Make a well and now I am going to add oil into it. So after adding the oil into it, I am going to give it a mix. Just rub the oil inside the flour so that it gets all my flour particles get coated with the oil. It will become a bit crumbly like. And now I am going to drop the activated yeast into it. See, I am dropping the yeast into it and I am going to mix that into it. And now I am going to prepare a soft dough with the help of extra water, you can say, and make a soft dough. Yes. Be careful while adding the water. Add little by little so you know how your dough is coming out. So now I am kneading a dough. It will take approximately 2 to 3 minutes to knead the dough. I have to make the yeast work, so for that I have to stretch the dough. Now I am going to dust it with oil. So with the help of the oil, I am going to stretch it out. I am using a silicone mat. You can clean the floor, your tabletop, and use as it is also. I prefer using the mat. See, this is the way I am going to stretch it out with the help of my palm. So just stretch it out. Rub the dough along the mat. So this will help in the yeast to work properly. So now my dough is done. I am just tucking up the dough. Tuck the dough to form a ball. So see, here I am placing the dough in a big bowl, applying some oil over it so that it becomes easier for me to handle when it rises. So here I am covering with the cling foil and I am going to prove the dough for at least 2 hours. Proving means I am going to let it rest for 2 hours so that it rises. Yes, the dough will rise. See how it has risen. It's looking so lovely. See, beautifully aerated. See, can you see the bubble? I'll show you the air bubbles. They look so lovely. So I'm going to punch the dough a bit and then I'm going to divide it into 2 portions. Divide it into 2 portions. Just roll out into balls because I'm going to roll out the dough. So it's better to roll out into balls so that you get a round flattened bread. Now I'm dusting the base or the rolling base, and I'm putting the dough over it, and just pat it with the help of your finger. Spread it out, and now I'm going to roll it with the help of the rolling pin. You have to roll out thick. Yes, about 1/3 of a centimeter, you can say that. If it sticks, dust some more of wheat flour over it. And spread it out. With the help of 2 hands, do pick up the dough with the help of 2 hands, otherwise it may split. See. Now with the help of my fingers and palm, I am going to spread it out. It's much easier. See how it's spreading beautifully. It has spread out beautifully. And now I am going to slice it. So these are my cubed feta cheese, and that is my chopped spinach, and here I am slicing with the help of a pizza cutter into 4 portions, and I am going to dust again the top portion so that it does not stick to the plate on which I am going to put it while I am working on making the parcel. Yes, so I am taking 1 portion of the parcel, just toss it down the dusted portion, apply some mayonnaise over it. I am brushing some water to seal the edges of the parcel. This you can do before putting mayonnaise. Here I am putting some spinach over it. And some feta cheese. I have sliced the feta cheese into cubes. If you have the crumbled one, doesn't matter, you can put the crumbled one over it, sprinkle the crumbled feta cheese over it. And now I am going to seal the pockets. Yes, the water will help in sticking the edges. Yes, and my parcel is made. So similarly I am going to make out all the parcels. See, all my parcels are being ready. Here my parcels are done, and I am going to make 2 parcels in the air fryer. So now these parcels are ready for second proofing. So I am keeping 2 parcels in a different plate, which is oven proof plate only, and I am going to again cover it up. You can cover it up with a plate even. I am using the cling foil. I am not a good user of a cling foil. I get really irritated using it. But if you have any trick, you can share with me. You can directly use a plate or a pan to cover the tray, so that, because you need space to the parcels or the dough to rise. So you need to keep space in between the parcels even. So I am just sealing the cling foil. I am so crude in using the cling foil, you can see that. Sorry for my crudeness. And again I am covering the smaller plate even, the one which is going to be used for the air fryer. And I am going to let it sit for half an hour. After half an hour I am unclinging it. See, the flour or the dough has risen. The proofing has worked. See how it has risen up. My oven is preheated to 200 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, I am brushing the crust or the top portion with some milk. I have taken a lot of milk. You just need 1 tablespoon of milk to brush. This would give lovely color. In this parcel I have used very little oil, so it's a very good option for healthy issues even. It's a very good healthy parcel, you can call. A fat-free parcel. just brush it with some milk, or you can use butter even. If you want more glossy look on your parcels, then use butter. I wanted a more healthy look, so I am using only milk. That has opened. I am again sealing the parcel. Don't worry. All the parcels will get cooked up. Similarly, I am going to brush the air fryer plate with the milk even. So this plate is done, and now here comes my air fryer plate. Again I am unclinging the air fryer one, and I am going to brush it with the milk. Now both the plates are ready for baking. So now this goes for baking at 200 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes. See, can you see how it has risen beautifully? It's getting a lovely color even. Meanwhile, I have put in this in the air fryer at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, or it may take more, 5 minutes. So see how this has been done, even the air fryer one. I am taking it out. This one is the oven one. The oven one has taken beautiful color. Perfect recipe, perfect parcel. What more can one want? This is looking so beautiful. Let's see if it's, how does it feel while touching? It's crispy. And it is soft from inside. I can see it. So doesn't this look delicious? Perfect. So if you have liked it and enjoyed it, just go and make these spinach and feta cheese parcels. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and post comments and queries. I would love to answer it. Thank you.